Today, we are witnessing a huge moment for BMW and the future of electric cars. The company is preparing one of its biggest production changes ever, and it all starts at the historic BMW Group Plant Munich. In August, this plant will begin series production of the next generation BMW i3. This new i3 will become the second model in BMW's upcoming Neue Klasse lineup, a new family of electric vehicles designed from the ground up. But this story is not just about a new car. It is about a complete transformation of how BMW builds vehicles. The Munich plant has been part of BMW's history for more than 100 years. Over that time, the factory has evolved many times. But the latest transformation may be the biggest yet. BMW has invested around 650 million euros to modernize the site and prepare it for the future of electric mobility. The result is a factory that is more efficient, more flexible, and far more digital than ever before. Production never stopped during the upgrades. In fact, the plant continued building up to 1,000 vehicles every day while major changes were taking place. BMW built a completely new body shop, modernized the assembly areas, and redesigned logistics operations across the site. All of this was done to prepare for the arrival of the Neue Klasse electric vehicles. And there is an even bigger goal. Starting in 2027, the Munich plant will produce only fully electric vehicles. That means gasoline-powered cars will no longer be built at this location. BMW says these changes will significantly reduce production costs. According to plant leadership, manufacturing costs will drop another 10% when production of the new i3 begins. This improvement comes from several factors. First, there are optimized production processes. Second, the plant now uses advanced automation and digital systems. And third, the Neue Klasse vehicle architecture itself was designed to be easier and more efficient to manufacture. Together, these improvements help BMW remain competitive in the rapidly growing electric vehicle market. At the center of this transformation is BMW's new production philosophy called BMW iFACTORY. This strategy focuses on three main pillars: efficiency, sustainability, and digitalization. Under this approach, BMW plants around the world adopt advanced technologies while adapting solutions to local needs. The goal is to create a flexible and resilient global production network that can deliver vehicles reliably anywhere in the world. And the Munich plant is now one of the best examples of this strategy in action. Inside the factory, the production process has been redesigned from the ground up. In the press shop, large sheets of steel and aluminum are transformed into thousands of components every day. Highly automated press lines handle most of the work. BMW also uses AI-assisted camera systems to inspect parts for quality before they move to the next stage. Scrap metal from the process is collected, sorted, and recycled into new materials. One of the most impressive areas of the plant is the new body shop built specifically for the Neue Klasse vehicles. Here, 800 industrial robots perform most of the work. The automation rate is around 98%. These robots handle joining processes that assemble the vehicle structure. BMW also simplified the manufacturing process by reducing the number of joining steps to just 5 major processes. This reduces complexity and speeds up production. The building itself is also designed to be energy efficient and even generates electricity using photovoltaic solar panels. The paint shop also uses advanced technology. Cameras and artificial intelligence inspect vehicle surfaces to detect even the smallest imperfections. If something needs correction, an automated system can fix the issue during the process. To reduce environmental impact, the paint shop uses an energy-efficient system to clean exhaust air and recover heat and energy. Water usage has also been reduced through recycling systems. The final assembly area has also been completely redesigned. Vehicles, tools, and production systems are all digitally connected. This allows real-time monitoring and quality checks throughout the assembly process. While the car is being built, the BMW i3 can transmit the status of up to 20,000 vehicle features to the production system. This helps workers identify issues instantly. Ergonomic workstations and adjustable equipment also make the jobs easier for employees. BMW has also introduced extensive training programs to help workers adapt to the new digital environment. The logistics system at the plant is equally impressive. Every day, the Munich factory handles about 2.5 million parts. In the future, about 70% of those parts will be delivered directly to assembly workstations. This reduces internal transport distances and speeds up production. A multi-story logistics building helps manage space in the city center location. Automation plays a major role as well. Driverless vehicles, smart robots, and automated supply systems will soon handle about 60% of logistics tasks. A central digital control center monitors everything and optimizes the flow of parts throughout the factory. One unique feature at the Munich plant is its in-house seat manufacturing facility. This operation produces seats for all vehicles built at the plant. The seats are delivered directly to the assembly line in perfect sequence for each vehicle. This setup improves quality control and reduces delivery delays. It also serves as an innovation center where BMW tests new materials and manufacturing technologies. Although the cars are assembled in Munich, many components come from other BMW locations. For example, the Gen 6 high-voltage batteries for the new i3 will be produced at a new battery assembly facility in Erlbach-Strausstricken in Bavaria. Meanwhile, the electric motor will be built at BMW Group Plant Steyr, a facility with more than 40 years of drivetrain manufacturing experience. This motor includes all key components, such as the rotor, stator, inverter, and transmission. The motor housing itself is produced at BMW Group Plant Munich. BMW also maintains a strong presence in the United States. The company has been operating there for more than 50 years. Its largest factory worldwide is BMW manufacturing plant Spartanburg, which serves as the global center for BMW's popular sports activity vehicles. Across the country, BMW operates dozens of locations and supports over 120,000 jobs, contributing more than $43 billion annually to the U.S. economy. For BMW, the new BMW i3 Neue Klasse represents much more than another electric car. It marks a new era for the company's production system, a future powered by electric mobility, advanced automation, artificial intelligence, and digital manufacturing. And the transformation of the Munich plant is only the beginning. More Neue Klasse models are already planned, including the BMW i3 Touring, which will also be built at this historic factory. The road to BMW's electric future has officially begun.